The following podcast has been paid for by Perched on the Top Rope.
This is Big Papa Pump. You're listening to Perch on the Top Rope.
Welcome, everyone, to Perched on the Top Rope. This is an unboxing video. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Great Muta is going to be at WrestleCon during WrestleMania weekend. And, well, this year I said I wasn't going to do WrestleCon for an enormous amount of reasons. From the vendors with their price gouging. I already think that prices are already too high on a lot of talents. So this year, I'm only doing a select few people. And I said in order to go, it would have to be somebody really rare. And in my opinion, Great Muta is someone really rare. Now, Great Muta has WWE figures coming out. He is the chase for the Ultimate line. He has a Monday Night Wars figure coming out. However, he also has a lot of figures that are based out of Japan. And I collect this particular series of these Japanese figures. This one's really, really cool. I've never seen this. So I'm going to show you right now what it is. This is the figure. I'm going to go as close to the camera as I can. It's clear. Like the red skin, it's clear. Trying to find a date, but I mean, literally. Okay, this is just a really, really cool figure. So anyway, the Great Muta is going to be at WrestleCon in Las Vegas for WrestleMania 41. And I could not resist getting one of these. So this is the figure. Oh, you can even see like there's detail on the back, but like this, it's like clear, like the whole thing is like clear. And I know it's not going to show on the camera that well, but like you can see on the skin. And the pants are clear too. It just doesn't resonate and show through on the screen. But this is a really cool figure. Like I said, I have all of the Ultimo Dragons because they did a bunch of Ultimo Dragons in various colors. And I have a Stan Hansen signed as well. So this is going to go really good with my collection. So make sure to go to youtube.com/perched on the top rope to watch all our other unboxing videos, including the WWE Legend Series with Farouk Tugboat, who just going into the WWE Hall of Fame as the Natural Disasters. There's also unboxings with Hulk Hogan. That's right, the immortal Hulk Hogan. And if you're a fan of the Real American Beer, I have a vlog talking about the Real American Beer promotional tour where you get the opportunity to meet Hulk Hogan. I got to meet Hulk Hogan. There's a full video of me shaking his hand and talking to him. So make sure you check that out at youtube.com/perched on the top rope. And don't forget, we are a podcast with awesome interviews from Ultimo Dragon, who I brought up, you know, in that having this line of figure. And there's also other awesome interviews with the likes of Vince Russo, Sonny Ono, Lex Luger, Rob Van Dam, Lash LaRue, and more. Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google, you name it, anywhere podcasts are found, it's perched on the top rope. And fans, always remember, spoiler freeze, the way to be. I'm out.